National Language and Script Day 2018 has been launched nationwide under the slogan National Script Independence. In accordance with the Decree Number 105 by the President of Mongolia in 2003, and to honor mother tongue and promote the national script, National Language and Script Day is annually organized. Within the National Language and the Script Day, academic conferences on Mongolian language and cultural research, a series of exhibitions displaying Mongolian literacy history, meetings and discussions between readers and scholars, and promotion activities of scientific papers on literacy will be jointly organized by the Ulaanbaatar city's library, universities, and primary schools. On May 1st, a scientific conference on national language and script, heritage and usage is taking place at the Mongolian National Modern Art Gallery. The day will be widely marked on May 4th, 2018.